What's up everyone, this is Alpha Prince, aka Prego. I'm a filmmaker from Rwanda. Well, Prego simply means, it's just an abbreviation of my names, and I use it as a username, as my YouTube username, and also as my Instagram username. Today I want to tell you a story of how I went on my very first helicopter ride. I think that's a helicopter passing over there. About a month ago, Akagera Aviation posted a giveaway. I saw it. I was interested because it was for content creators, and I sent them an email alongside with some of the videos that I've made. I was one of the 2 content creators that they chose, and yeah, that's how it all started. Before we took off, I asked the pilot if I could mount one of my action cameras under the helicopter, and he allowed me to do it. Pilot Alex, if you happen to watch this video, thank you so much. This is Titi, one of the very amazing photographers here in Rwanda. He helped me mount this Insta360 X2 camera under the helicopter. Well, at first I was quite anxious that it might fall down, but I did it anyway. So let's see what it managed to capture during the flight. Akahito.
Hot. Akahito.
Ako ngumukire hakonje.
Nini tuba yabonera konje. Ibini hano hasi. Banza bambare seatbelt. No, seatbelt ubwayo yonyine. Kandi. Mubango. Azamu.
It's about to go down.
Musanze, Akagera 75. Say again. 03 and Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
We took off and headed to Musanze. On our way, I go to see how beautiful Kigali is from above. At some points, I can't believe that I couldn't recognize some places that I knew, because like the perspectives from the ground and one from here are quite different. They say that Rwanda is a country of 1,000 hills, but you get to understand this statement very well when you see the country from this perspective. Especially in these kinds of helicopters, I think they are ideal for such conditions when you really want to see all these sights from the sky. These 2 lakes are Ruhondo and Burera. I have been to this area before, more often, but seeing the area from above was a stellar experience. We soon reached Musanze after like 25 to 30 minutes. Those who know the city know it's the closest city to the Volcanoes National Park in Rwanda. People who are coming to visit Volcanoes National Park in Rwanda, Musanze is their gateway town. I really enjoyed this view. We flew over the city and headed back to the Kigali International Airport. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video. Please don't forget to like and leave a comment, since this is my very first video to share on YouTube. And please subscribe to this channel. I will be sharing more videos in the near future, and I believe you like them.